Old people have to stop getting tricked by AI so easily. Because my mom was scrolling through Facebook the other day and she starts laughing hysterically. So I'm like, what's so funny, mom? Then she tells me that she saw a video of an English bulldog cooking a steak. So I'm like, no way, let me see the video. And she shows it to me, but it's the most obvious AI I've ever seen. Like the dog was literally holding a knife and cutting the steak as if it was a human. So I was like, Mom, that video is not real. But then she was like, how do you know? So I tell her that it's super obvious that the video is AI, but then she says, it looks so real though. Mom, the knife was literally going through the dog's paw. It was not real. So I had to break her heart and tell her that this dog wasn't the next Gordon Ramsay. But this wasn't even nearly as bad as the time where she saw a photo of what Nicolas Cage would look like if he was a dog, and she thought that was real. Now that one was terrifying. I just know that in like 6 months, there's gonna be AI videos of pigs flying and old people are gonna be like, they finally did it. Oh my